So I will be telling you about the glossy photo paper, how to use it at home. So much conveniency. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so you go out, you go on vacation with your family, your husband, your kids, and sometimes you just don't feel like stopping at maybe one of the pharmacies or whatever to get your photos developed. You just want to go home and do it yourself. This is the video that is right for you. So I purchased this glossy photo paper at my Walmart. I paid $4.98 for 50 sheets. The size was, let me see, 4 by 6 inches. And I must say I believe it turned out really good. I will say you will need a inkjet printer. This is great for framing, scrapbooking, whatever you may use for your crafting. And it's an instant dry. So keep watching, guys. Okay guys, I'm going to give you a little bit of advice. If you have some troubles with using your photo paper and your printer, just check your Canon settings or whatever type of printer you use. That will help you a whole lot more. I did have a little bit issues, and I think that was because it was my first time using the Pen+Gear, but it really is a good product. So you know, that's why I wanted to make a video. But sometimes it may be, check your settings and see if you have it set for glossy photo paper, and make sure you have your size set as well, and that should help you out. Okay guys, so yes, I do a lot of my printing from my cell phone. This is a Bluetooth wireless printer. You can use this just by using your cell phone. Any type of smartphone would do. If you do not have a laptop or a desktop or a pad or iPad or anything like that, do not get discouraged. You can use your cell phone. Just make sure you use the online setup configurations handbook that will help you to set up the Bluetooth wireless access.